Hi, this is Russell Stanner from teachertrainingvideos.com. I've managed to negotiate the same kind of deal I had before on Techsmith Camtasia. What I've done now is I've got an affiliate program, and that means you'll get the same discount as I used to be able to offer, but also it means I will get a small percentage of the money, which obviously means I can put that towards the YouTube channel and towards teachertrainingvideos.com. All you need to do if you do want to buy Camtasia from me is two things to keep in mind. Firstly, you do need to download a free copy of Camtasia, the trial version, because that's how you activate Camtasia. You simply download the trial version, then you buy the code, you put the code in the trial version, and then it activates it. So it's a really simple process. So make sure you download first of all Camtasia, then buy a code via my link to get the full educational discount. Once you receive the code, put it into your trial version. When you open up your trial version, there's a place for you to add that code in, and it will activate it, and that will become a fully functional educational version of Camtasia, and there's nothing else to pay. And please make use of all the free training videos that are available on teachertrainingvideos.com. Now, just one thing, this offer, the discount, is only for people who A, are working in an educational institution, or B, are studying in an educational institution. And Techsmith Camtasia will ask you for that information. They won't provide you with the discount unless you facilitate to them the institution that you're working in, etc. Or, as I said, studying in as well. Will also you'll also get the discount. So hope that's useful to you. It's a great discount. It does mean that a little bit of the money will come to teachertrainingvideos.com, and thank you very much. One final thing, if you are accessing this video on YouTube, I'll put the link both to the free download for the trial version and to the affiliate program link with the discount in the description below, and thank you very much.